Hello and welcome to the Tmmt Mobe Marketing Train. Get your ticket on the Mobe high-speed educational success train. Enter for only $1. It will be the best dollar you ever spent. The Mobe train will take you from the train station of knowledge through the tunnels and mountains of information you will need along the way to gain the experience necessary to proceed to places in the online marketing platform you never knew existed. Your next destination will be input and study in order to achieve one level after another, until you reach the point in your business that gets you a positive position of strength and builds your confidence level, so there's no stops along the way until you have made your goals and dreams come true. The Mobe train runs on inspiration, knowledge and experience, and providing our passengers with the tools to change their way of life, to be able to start their own business and see their plans and goals become a reality. In closing, I would like to give you some words of advice. Be creative, stay focused, take action, and get trained. Thank you for your time and watching our video. Take care. All aboard! Please follow us on our website www.promarklinks.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn for more videos and updates.